So here we go, here we go. I was just chilling in that shade in the park. Not much happening there. I'm looking for a hat. I don't know where to go. Don't look busy that way, so let's go this way. I guess we're by the riverside, so let's see if we can find the river as well. See what's down there. Look at this tree. Can't see it so much that angle, but anyway, this is just a walking tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. So this is the capital of Laos. It's pronounced Vientiane, I think. I ain't heard no one pronounce it yet, so that sounds right, so let's go with it. I'm not planning to eat out here. I want to do all my cooking because I've got a nice kitchen there, so I'm going to do all my own cooking. What's this now? Is that the accident and murder? Or maybe that's a hospital or something. What? African restaurant and bar? What? I gotta go and see that. Where is it? Oh, okay. It's up there. So they got some Africans here. Let's see what's going on. It's a bar. No vibes here. Alright, I'm gone. No vibe here. And that's how you know restaurants and bar. Yo! I just come to see what's going on, man.
Huh?
I come to see what's going on.
Okay.
You open tonight?
Alright.
What time you here tonight? I'm gonna come back. Alright. Some dead vibes in there. Backpacker hostel. Hello. No. So probably go there tonight when the cool's down, see what's going on. Get a fruit juice drink or something. The shop open, yeah? I think the river's there, isn't it? Just chilling. No, thank you. Big C. Big C. Big C Mini. How's it Big C Mini? I don't get it. I love Laos. Me too. Some more banks. I wonder if that's his son or something. It's a bit. Hope the little boy's alright. It's quite multicultural here, I've gotta say. It's made me look at Laos in a different way now. I've been in all the countryside and that, which is like, where I prefer the nature, but the people don't accept you as well. We're here. Yeah, they're pointing, oh look, there's a pizza. Ooh. Wood oven. So that's interesting. Very interesting. Very westernized. Look at this, don't man. So I'm right by the river, aren't I? It's like I'm not getting closer to over there. It's like I have to cross the road if I want to look at the river. I thought it was gonna like meet, but it don't happen like that. And I need to get out the sun, man, and I need to get a hat, man. And my phone can't handle the heat. The heat's just somehow just draining my battery, man. Oh, man. See. And to be fair, right, it don't smell that bad over here. I'm not saying it don't smell at all. But where I've been, it's not that bad yet. I'm gonna have to turn in, man, because there's no shade in here. I'll come and look at the river later on, man. The river's just there, but I'm not gonna just stand in the blaring sun, man. No. So let's turn in. Oh my god, this is hot. Look how big this is. This puts that Hilton to shame. Where is the shade, man? There's no shade on either side of the road, man. It's like the sun's right above you. Oh, that's nasty. Stagnant. How can you water there like that? Yeah, I need some shade, man. This is. How is this guy wearing a hoodie? What the hell, man? What was he waiting for? It's not hot enough. Fuck. Look, and he's wearing black as well. Oh my god. Wow. This is mad. This is mad. This is mad. Where's the shade, man? Doing some hard work in the sun. Wow. Hats off to that. I didn't want to just stay in the hostel and waste the day, so I've come out in this. I'm gonna have to have a shower as soon as I get back now. Oh my god. Samsung. Am I on the wrong side of the room? On the other side now. There's a little bit more shade on this side. Give this town about 3 to 5 years. Even 10 years it'd be better, but 3 years you'll see a difference. You can see they're trying to. It's pure development going on. At least it's not a rat city. A black lady or wasn't it? I'm gonna follow the shade to the more, yeah man, I'm gonna walk in the shade. Oh my god, I can't handle this now. These flowers are beautiful, aren't they? How white they are, man. But it seems like I'm going nowhere down there, so I'm gonna go back this way. about to rent. Let's see. I ain't got nowhere I wanna go anyway, but it's good to know it's there. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste no money like that. Oh, okay. I need some chickpeas actually. Let's find some chickpeas. Next shop I'm gonna go in. Ah, this is what I need, man. I might just stay. That looks nice. Oh, wait there. I know where I am now. I'm by my hostel. Ah, that's nice. I'm by my hostel.